Good evening, everyone. So this video is just for a clarification. Okay, so we are going to organize our Plasma Scholars Colloquium, and it is our homepage. But before that, we need to discuss some of the topics. Now, this is the home, and guest speakers. These are the guest speakers already confirmed. This is the institutions from different institutions from where we have got participants. Uh, these are the tentative list of oral presenters from students. The list will increase. The poster presenters. Uh, Basically, this page is under uh, development, and these are the rules that we have given. That every author, and there are 3 awards for the best poster, best oral presentation, and the best dissertation. Okay. Now coming to some of the clarifications that you have asked me over time. Now you see, I have asked you for every group working under the summer workshop to submit one proceeding. So this is the proceeding link. So for 30 responses we have received. Now you see, one representative should put here, and name of all the members of the group will be there. Article title, as we have asked for the zip file of latex containing all the source file and the PDF from latex. So we have so far got this many responses, and out of which uh, some are here, okay, and the corresponding PDF files. Now every group should present one uh, latex, one proceeding paper in latex. So that is done. Now regarding the name of dissertation, sorry, it is the this is the dissertation submission link. Dissertation submission link. Okay, so we have extended your time because many of you have your university exam and MSc entrance exam, so you may submit it after all your exams are over. So we give you an this kind of thing, which you will you may submit it later. Now in this aspect, let me clarify one thing. And you see, those who submit the dissertation, they will get, this is the uh, course completion certificate of completion for the summer workshop with your title here. So this is the article, which is this is the certificate which you will get after submitting the dissertation. Now the dissertation thing is over. Now for the Plasma Scholars Colloquium. Now here we have the registration link, and here all the participants of the workshop, we expect them all to register, as either they are going to present an oral presentation or a poster presentation. And suppose if your team member or one representative from your group is going for the oral presentation, you may write here oral presentation, up to you, and accordingly you should fill up all these things and make the corresponding exchange proceeding exchange charges of 100 rupees and prove the payment. For all the participants in this workshop, you please do this thing. Now somebody said that, sir, my regarding poster presentation, what we have to present? No, you don't have to present. You have to submit in a poster before some cutoff date. I think it is before 5th you have to submit the posters, and before 2nd of September you give your, sorry, I made a mistake, before 31st of August you submit your poster, because the poster, once you submit to us, how will you submit? There is a presentation submission link. Here one group member, you just log in with your Google and put the poster and group author, your group co-authors or group members uh, registration name and registration, and upload the PDF version of the poster. Because once you upload the PDF version of the posters, this will go to this link. This link is not yet updated. We will update it. Now don't go for the names. Now your name will be there. Suppose two people, this Shraddha Sahana and Spondita, these are the same group. There, and Spondita and Shraddha, their name would be here. Title of the poster will be there, and the poster will be visible here. Now it is open for voting. You can vote or dislike, but don't dislike. I would suggest, if you like it, go for like. If you don't like it, leave it. That would be better. And as we have said, the evaluation of the posters would be done by a panel of experts, and 25% weightage would be given for public voting. So panel of experts will send them and they will give their feedback. Now this is the poster. So I suggest you people put the posters by 31st August. We will make the link live on 1st of September. So far we have received 5 responses: Mritika, Gorima, Chirag, Das. Now those are opting for oral presentation. You see, oral presentation, we will, as I have said, first come first serve would be the best thing. So that's the thing. Now regarding somebody asked me, sir, if we participate in the workshop, will we get certificate? Yes, if you participate in the workshop, you will get a certificate like this, certificate of participation, even if you don't present your group's work. I would suggest all of you give your presentation. So if you give a presentation, then you will get a presentation certificate. Certificate for, sorry, this one, certificate for presentation. This is the certificate of presentation. So whatever, either oral or poster presentation, you will get this kind of certificate presentation. All the group members, provided all of them register in the colloquium through this link and make the proceeding exchange fees. Now these are the presentation. Now, as I have said, there will be some awards. Now awards would be later informed, and this is the for best oral or best poster or best dissertation, whatever it is. So these are kind of things. So I would suggest all of you in a group. For instance, today there was Tuhin's group. Shagnik was preparing the proceeding, and Tuhin just registered, and he didn't fill up that. He said only participation. No, they are going to present a poster. So I would suggest them, make them a poster presentation. So they would click on the poster, and one of them, I suggest one of them, they should go to this presentation submission link, and while you fill up this thing, you should also give the name and registration ID of your co-authors. Okay, so that would be your that you, or we can just get the details after your poster presentation is done. So do this couple of things, and all, and here in the website you get the dissertation submission, poster submission, oral presentation submission link, and the poster. Both are the same kind of thing, same thing. So whatever you put the slides, you put it in PDF and no other format, and the templates are given, and I hope it is clear for you. Thank you.